Welcome to the Orifice Discharge Interactive Calculator, which solves fluid flow problems through orifices. Let's review the interface. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate flow rate Q, calculate orifice diameter D, calculate pressure drop dP, calculate discharge coefficient CD, calculate exit velocity V, or calculate Reynolds number RE. For this demonstration, we're using calculate flow rate. Next, enter your parameters. Input orifice diameter D in meters, pressure drop dP in pascals, fluid density R in kilograms per cubic meter, discharge coefficient CD as a dimensionless value, flow rate Q in cubic meters per second, exit velocity V in meters per second, and dynamic viscosity M in Pascal seconds. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 for all parameters. After clicking Calculate, here are our results. The volumetric flow rate is 1110.720735 cubic meters per second. Orifice area equals 78539,816.34 square millimeters. Exit velocity is 1.414 meters per second. Reynolds number is 1.1421, indicating turbulent flow regime. Flow rate converts to 3998594.6644 cubic meters per hour. Mass flow equals 11107.2073 kilograms per second. This tool streamlines orifice calculations for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.